Glenwood Chase is nestled in Montgomery County, Pennsylvania. It's fairly centrally located between Reading, Allentown, and Philadelphia. It's minutes away from Route 100, 476, and 309. Glenwood Chase features 45 half-acre or larger home sites, which is a very unique opportunity in this area of Pennsylvania. You're going to feel like you have space to breathe, yet still have a community and neighborhood feeling. At Glenwood Chase, we offer up to nearly 20 different floor plans, ranging from 1,900 square feet all the way to 4,300 square feet, including our recently award-winning Devonshire floor plan. We're featuring two different models at Glenwood Chase. The first is a Covington. Covington is just over 3,400 square feet and offers 5 different elevations. The Covington includes an open, spacious floor plan. The main level has a gourmet eating kitchen, as well as an open and spacious living area, which flows right through the living room and includes a formal dining room as well. The second model we're featuring at Glenwood Chase is the Hawthorne, coming in at just over 3,600 square feet. It also has 5 elevations, including one that offers a full wraparound front porch. Walking into the Hawthorne, you'll meet an open floor plan that flows into a grandiose 2-story living area. This is right off the kitchen, with many options for bump outs and additional eating area to really make this home feel like a much larger and palatial estate. The Hawthorne offers a spacious second floor owner's suite with a large walk-in closet. If you're looking for a quiet neighborhood nestled in Montgomery County, Pennsylvania, offering large lot sizes with a small neighborhood feel, Glenwood Chase is the spot for you.